We need to generate a culture, a climate, or ethos. A culture sa schools natin.
So in Makabaklay National High School, we implemented CCI, and I'm glad that even though I already left the school, they are still implementing it.
As the focal person of CCI in our school, we mobilize in the circle of the faculty and staff. And after that, we do also in the student. Dahil sa nangyari na yun na seminar, nagkaroon ng magandang impact sa loob ng paaralan.
They turn into the productive members of society, mabuting tao, at higit sa lahat, mga tao maligaya.
We know character is basic. Teachers cannot teach what they don't have. We first instill character education among the teachers so that they can impart it successfully to their students.
Even no one is watching, because someone up there watches us. For us to be able to create a school with a culture of character, creativity, and initiative.
Nabago po yung sarili ko. Sabi ko, I can influence more, na kahit hindi ako magsalita, magsimula muna sa akin. And I know and I believe marami rin pong na-transform na teachers. And ang maganda po, ang product ay sa learners.